I really want to say that, you have to appreciate his qualities, that he has come specially all the way. And he was talking of inter-religious bonding. So he was talking of Swami Vivekananda's visit here. He has come all the way. He has come with his team also. He has given something also to the seminary, and it's nice of him. The priest will tell you, our in charge of the seminary will tell you something about it. But we are so happy to have him here. It's a pleasure to have him here. And in this system where people are talking of where bonding of religion is required, at this time, I think is to be appreciated. And his entire team, he's brought his artist also, who is a well-known artist also with him, shows what sort of a person. See, it is, you get people who have a lot of kindness with them. I think we should appreciate him and wish him all the best.
Further, he explained further. Spirituality means spirituality from all ways of faith, not confined to only one religion. All faith are like that. That is the greatest contribution. When you think about it, that Chicago speech of Swami Vivekananda and other things are there. That is historical, and nobody can, even non-believers also, atheists also, they can recognize Swamiji. That is Indian freedom struggle and other things are in fact inspired by Swami Vivekananda. Such a personality, before going to Chicago, he wanted to know about Jesus and other things. He opted this about that 19th century, I think 1892. So that importance is there. Anyway, central government people know about it, and I also, as the governor, got some information, and further searching for more knowledge and information on that aspects, I inquired to Swami, that Sreedharan Pillai mission as well. Anyway, this subject is there. For the two aspects are there. One is that the spirituality means the unity of the people, integrity of the people. Of course, India is of a combination of all religions. 12 religions known to the world, entire religions were given freedom by our forefathers, and that is the importance. That is why, in that point, unity of the people of India and the integrity of the nation as a whole, this is a very important point. That is one aspect. I have already visited all the villages. Raia Yatra, that was a grand success about 2 years back. Goa is concerned, there is ample opportunity for spiritual tourism as well. If that is be taken as a spiritual tourism is promoted, I am sure that this will be one of the attracting point for the tourists. Of course, subject to our religious concept and discipline, we will be able to do more things. Our book will be not only in our local language, in English, and we want to, if I am getting chance, we will be able to place it before the entire world. Then people, Swami Vivekananda and Christian Jesus, or this is the first seminary in the Asia, according to my information. To correct I am saying, and if that is so, people, that type of publicity may be given. Goa, of course, we confine to Goa alone, 60 lakh people or 70 lakh people maximum. But this message may be given. So you think about it. My thought always in my mind, this is there, and within the limits, without violating any of the objective of church and seminary, what action it is possible, and you think and approach me, you take initiative for that. Okay, thank you very much.
First printing press also was here.
Oh,
in
Asia.
In Asia.
Asia. That is I read. This seminary's name I have not mentioned. Then also I came to know about this. I visited here all on a sudden, and I want to see that if subject to the internal and ideological commitment of the seminary, if you are doing something, Rajbhavan is prepared to help you. as far my yatra is concerned, this is fifth yatra. And fifth yatra is concerned, it is called Khushal Kalyan Yatra. So all spiritual places as far as possible. Not all, but important. I am visiting within 1 month, and today it started from Anandapura temple, and today visited here also. Shanta Durga I visit, and then I go back to Rajapur. That Kalyan means Khushal means Khushal is a base. Happiness. Yes. That is in Malayalam, in Punjab, in Sanskrit, in all Hindi. Khushal means happiness. Happiness of whom? Happiness of the all people of India or the universe as a whole. And then Khushal Kalyan, welfare also. These two correlating concepts I am traveling.
Goa Gram Sampurna Yatra, Saimik Dais Yatra, then Giri Rohan Yatra, where he visited many of the mountains here in Goa, the hills, and the Dviparichaya Yatra. And he wrote 4 books after each of these yatras. And just a couple of days back, he announced this Khushal Kalyan Yatra. And the purpose of this yatra is to offer prayers in all these religious institutions, places of worship, for the people of Goa and for the nation, for peace, happiness, and their welfare. And this is in the context of some unfortunate incidents that happened in Goa and the crisis that was prevailing, as we all know. So it is in that context that Honorable Governor, he announced this yatra, and in fulfillment of this yatra, we started it today and started at the Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple, and we are proceeding further, and today we will come to Rachol. Rachol was a promise which we made a couple of years back, that we will come back because your institution was under renovation at that time, Father. So Honorable Governor said, no, we will be back. And so this time we are back, and we are also back to know more about this institution. So it's a great occasion for us to be back, and we continue this journey, and it again happens on the 15th. So we'll continue this all over Goa, all the talukas, and as many places and as many prayers as possible for the people of Goa and for the nation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.